Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's recipe video will be about barbecue grilled chicken burgers. We'll explain how to make them delicious, lower in calories, high in protein, thus ideal if you're trying to lose weight or even build muscle. We'll tell you some hacks on how you can make them extremely tasty, and thus you'll not be able to differentiate these from the ones selling outside because they are high in calories and they're not the best option if you're trying to lose some fat. So let's begin. The first crucial ingredient is atta burger buns. Now you can also go for regular white burger buns which are made from maida, but then they won't be rich in dietary fiber, as well as they'll be little less in protein, but the calories would be almost similar. And make sure to read the ingredient label to check what they're actually adding. Most of the times they list multigrain or whole wheat on the front label, but in the ingredient label they are mixing maida or some other cheap quality flour into it. So go for these. If you don't find them, then regular burger buns will also work. So guys, this is 100 grams of boneless chicken breast. It will give you around 25 grams of protein, and it will weigh around 70 grams after it has been cooked. And if you want, you can also go for the thigh part because that's also boneless, but then it is higher in calories because it has some fat, but then of course it is a little bit tastier. I'll be adding just a pinch of salt and a little bit of black pepper. I'll not be using too much because the sauce that we'll be adding, it already contains salt, so you don't want to put extra salt and ruin the taste. It's a barbecue grilled chicken burger, so we'll be needing some sort of a barbecue sauce, of course. I'll be going ahead with the spicy barbecue sauce because I love spicy, and it contains 88 calories per 100 gram. Barbecue sauce, though not extremely low calorie, but it is way better than mayonnaise and everything, which contain 70 to 80 calories per tablespoon. This hardly will be maximum 15 calories per tablespoon. You can also go for this barbecue sauce from Fun Foods. This will be available everywhere in India, I suppose. A little more exquisite with this recipe, you can go for this HP sauce that is used in the London and United Kingdom. It is called a brown sauce for marinating their steaks and their chicken. Or you can also go for this steak sauce, which serves as a marination for steaks in America. These two are a little high in calories, but again, not more than 15 calories per tablespoon. Already added salt and pepper, and now I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of this barbecue sauce, and then I'll be mixing it well. And then you have to keep it for at least 30 minutes, 30 to 60 minutes for best results, to let the sauce soak into the chicken so that the chicken can be juicy and full with flavor. You can even put it as long as up to 2 days in the fridge. That way the chicken will be juicier and even more tender. It's been over an hour that this chicken has been marinating, so now it's time to grill it. We can use a normal basic sandwich griller to grill it, or you can also use a non-stick pan by brushing it with a minimal oil or ghee to grill your chicken. After splitting your burger buns into two halves, it is now time to apply some sauce to it. Always go for a low calorie sauce, that is, it should not contain more than 15 calories per tablespoon. So this one hardly has 9 calories per 20 gram. So at the most we'll be using 15 calories for the entire burger. But if you do not like spicy sauce, then there are many other options such as mint sauce or even some mustard sauce. So just be careful of the sauces that you're using if you're trying to lose weight. Applying the sauce, now it's crucial to apply your favorite vegetables. I'll be going with lettuce, which is my favorite. You can even go with basic onions and tomatoes. I'll be also adding a bit of gherkins, which are basic cucumbers left in brine or vinegar for a long period of time, thus giving that sour taste. And I'll be also adding a little bit of these sweet heat chips, which will add a little hint of sweetness to my burger. Time to add 1 slice of cheese after the vegetables. You can go for this Slim's cheese slice, which has 20 calories less than a regular cheese slice, but it hardly makes a difference. If you do not find this one, no issues, go for the regular cheese slice. After adding the cheese slice, it's now time to add the secret ingredient, which is this lighter than light mayonnaise. It contains only 11 calories for 1 tablespoon as compared to 70 to 80 calories to the regular mayonnaise. It might be a struggle to find this in your nearest market, but you can find it easily on Amazon or any other big supermarket. if you do not have this, you can also go for this cheese sauce. This is around 25 calories per tablespoon, so of course it's a bit higher than this one, almost double the calories, but just 1 tablespoon won't hurt. I'll be grilling my chicken on this griller with this little bit of non-stick spray. It has less than 10 calories for 1 second of a spray. I'll be grilling my chicken for hardly 4 to 5 minutes and then it will be done. As you can see, our chicken is done. So we'll now transfer it to a bowl. See how perfect it is looking. So we'll now transfer it to a bowl and let it cool for about 2 minutes or so that it can absorb all its juices and become more tender. See how good it is looking, barbecue grilled chicken. Adding this to the burger will take the burger game to the next level. And you can see how juicy and how tender it is looking. So now let's assemble the burger. Chicken now has cooled down a bit, so now we'll assemble the chicken into the burger by taking one piece at a time. So it's done. Now the final step, of course, is to put the other bun on the top, and I'll give you the final look. Carefully just take the upper bun and put it inside on the top of the lower one. See, as it's loaded, so obviously chicken is coming out. You won't find such a loaded burger outside, and obviously they're going to charge you double or triple the price than what it costs at home. Just see how cheesy and creamy this burger is looking. How can anyone look at this and say it's not healthy or it's low calorie? For around just 350 calories and almost 35 grams of protein, this is a steal. And then people say that we cannot eat burgers and try to lose weight at the same time. Just share this video with them. Guys, this was a video for today. If you liked it, please do not forget to give a like. Drop down your comments about which recipe you want me to cover next. We can make any recipe of your choice that you think is unhealthy into a healthy one. And don't forget to share this with a friend who said you cannot have burgers while trying to lose weight. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.